Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Tooth Repair Kit is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for fixing chipped teeth, offering a convenient and potentially cost-effective alternative to professional dental procedures. This comprehensive kit provides all the necessary tools and materials for a DIY approach to repairing minor chips and cracks, empowering you to restore your smile's confidence from the comfort of your own home, while also considering a visit to your dentist for more serious issues. Number 5. Mastermedi Zinc Oxide Cement Kit. This kit provides everything you need for reliable dental work. It's perfect for crowns, bridges, and fillings. It sets quickly, ensuring a strong and durable bond for your dental applications. Ideal for instant fillings and other procedures. This cement is self-curing and self-adherent, simplifying the process and saving you time. No special equipment is needed. Its universal shade blends seamlessly with natural tooth color, ensuring a natural-looking restoration. It's designed for a discreet and aesthetically pleasing result. The kit includes everything you need: powder, liquid, mixing pad, measuring spoon, and instructions. Everything is conveniently packaged together for your convenience. With Mastermedi, you can trust that you're using a high-quality product for your dental needs. It's made with zinc oxide eugenol for reliable performance. What we like. This kit is perfect for long-lasting, strong repairs to crowns and bridges. It sets quickly and matches most natural tooth colors. If you need a durable, professional-looking fix, this is the one for you. What people say. I had to do this several times in order to get the consistency right. But once I did, it held for an entire week before having to do it again. Just make certain to follow the directions closely. It is a challenge getting the resin to set exactly where you want, and keeping it dry for 5 minutes can be a channeling task, but once it dries it does feel solid and should last a week or two easily. This is exactly what you are looking for, an emergency repair kit that will last you until you get medical attention. Easy to use, good quality, stays for a long time, and I can even eat apples without any problems. Number 4. DenTek Temparin Max Repair Kit. Don't worry. This kit makes repairs quick and easy. Get temporary relief until your dentist appointment. It's simple to use and helps keep those loose caps and crowns in place. You can feel confident until you see your dentist. Provide soothing temporary relief from dental discomfort. It's the perfect solution for unexpected dental issues. With its simple application, it's a convenient solution for anyone experiencing temporary dental problems. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to use. It's recommended by dentists for use between dental visits. It's a reliable solution for temporary dental needs. This kit provides enough material for 13 or more repairs. It's a cost-effective solution for multiple dental emergencies. What we like. Need a fast fix for a loose cap or crown until your dentist appointment? This product provides instant relief and holds things in place. If you need a temporary solution for a dental emergency, this is your best bet. What people say. This product was a lifesaver. In fact, it was much more comfortable than the temporary filling that the dentist put in. But to be clear, this product is temporary and won't replace a visit to your dentist. This is a great temporary fix for any lost filling until you are able to get to the dentist. It's super easy to use, but I do find that if you have to wait more than a couple days to get to the dentist, you will have to reapply it as it tends to break up. My crown came off and could not get in dentist for a week, so got this and worked great. My neighbor chipped his back tooth and it was a holiday weekend, so he used this and was able to enjoy the holiday. It's so tiny, if you need to carry in your purse or ever your pocket, it's about the size of a tiny spool of thread. So easy to use, it comes with an applicator and it's a great value. Number 3. DenTek Temparin Max Repair Kit. It's quick and easy to use. This kit provides a temporary fix for lost fillings, giving you relief until your dentist appointment. Don't let a loose cap or crown ruin your day. It's designed to hold them securely in place until you can see your dentist. It offers temporary relief from dental discomfort. Get the peace of mind you need between dental visits. Dentists recommend it for use between appointments. It's a convenient solution for common dental emergencies. Each kit provides 13 or more repairs. That's plenty of fixes for those unexpected dental mishaps. It's the perfect solution for those unexpected dental emergencies. Keep it handy for quick and easy repairs. What we like. Similar to the previous option, but with added value. This bulk pack offers multiple uses for a lower cost per repair. If you anticipate needing multiple temporary fixes, this is the most economical choice. What people say. Works great until get to my dentist. Glued my front tooth back in. Very easy. This product is great for a temporary filling. If you lose a filling, have a cavity or opening in a tooth, this works best for me to take away the pain and keep it covered till I can get to the dentist. Number 2. Easy Tooth Temporary Tooth. Embarrassed to smile? Don't be. Easy Tooth offers a simple solution to restore your confidence. It's the easiest temporary tooth on the market. Get your smile back in minutes. It's a preformed tooth, ready to use. Simply select the shade that matches your teeth. We offer a natural shade to seamlessly blend with your existing teeth. It looks so natural, no one will notice. It comes with a convenient carrying case, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Always be prepared. Say goodbye to embarrassment and hello to a confident smile. Get yours today. What we like. Missing a tooth and want a simple, natural-looking replacement? This preformed tooth is incredibly easy to apply and blend seamlessly with your existing teeth. If you need a quick, convenient solution for a missing tooth, this is ideal. What people say. Muy bien producto, como lo que promete. Lo mejor es que puedes hacer y rehacer los países. Se ven real. Great product once you get familiar with the way it is applied. Lasts a while too. It takes a little artistry and patience to get the results you want, or close to them anyway. Decent product. So it definitely took quite a few tries, like all of the teeth almost, but once you get it down really boosts your confidence. Using till I can afford to get my teeth fixed. Number 1. Broken Tooth Repair Kit. Dealing with a broken tooth can be frustrating. But help is here. This kit provides a simple solution for temporary repair. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply follow the instructions, and you can mold it to fit your tooth perfectly. This kit isn't just for broken teeth. It's also great for filling gaps, crowns, and bridges, giving you a more confident smile. This kit offers amazing value. You get enough material for multiple repairs, saving you money in the long run. You'll see amazing results in just hours. Get your confidence back with a beautiful, temporary fix. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns, we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. This kit is perfect for various dental mishaps, from broken teeth to filling gaps. It's easy to shape and offers great value for the amount of material included. If you're looking for an affordable and versatile solution for multiple dental issues, this is the one. What people say. This stuff works like a charm and holds for quite a while. Mine held for about 2 weeks or so. It was pretty easy to mix. A little harder to fill your tooth because you don't have enough hands to hold your cheek out of the way and hold the flashlight to pour it in the crack. I was able to do it though, and it seems to be holding well. Better than the wax beads because this is semi-permanent. The wax beads of the other kind come out when you eat. Great product. Used a couple weeks ago for a crown that came out. It hasn't budged since. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.